Hey everyone! Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video I will show you how to find EV charging stations using the Waze app. If you are driving an electric car, then knowing the nearest charger is very important. Waze helps you locate fast charging stations easily so you never get stuck with low battery during your trip. So let us get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Now tap on the search bar. Here you can search for many locations like restaurants and petrol pumps. But we want EV chargers. So simply type EV charging station or electric vehicle charging. A list will appear showing nearby charging points. You can also tap on the map icon to view their exact location on the map and choose the closest one. There is also another helpful method. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. Then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Vehicle Details. Now tap on Electric Vehicle. Here you will see an option called EV Features. Toggle it on. Below that you will see plug types. Select the plug type your car supports. This step is very important to avoid visiting stations that do not match your charger type. Once you enable these settings, Waze will automatically show EV charging stations directly on your map. This makes it easier to find a charger without typing again and again. When you tap on any charging station, you will see distance and estimated time to reach. Tap on Go to start navigation and Waze will guide you properly with turn-by-turn directions. That is it. Now you know how to find EV charging stations on the Waze app easily. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.